easy to identify rep when they arrived at port. They were late arriving. No way to contact them. Never answers phone. Try to contact us through WhatsApp, which I did not have. Bikes were in okay shape but could use some chain lubricant. Top route, very varied and real mountain biking, so a must-do on Bonaire for enthusiasts. Nice guides, very knowledgeable. Quite tough with difficult sections. You'll have your work cut out for you. So enjoy it. The bike was in excellent shape and was high quality. The service was prompt and professional. I would have been happy renting all week and exploring more by bike. Had issues with tires going flat. But owner came and picked us up and rescued us. Fun island and had fun venturing out on our own. Met me right at the ship. Very nice and helpful, easy to drop off bike when I was done. Would use again.